for business owners. Today I want to share with you a personal journey, a cautionary tale about the importance of proper bookkeeping. It's a story born from experience, and trust me, neglecting this aspect can lead to some serious financial headaches. Stick around as we dive into real-world examples, including missed opportunities, deductions, and the toll it took on some of my clients. Not too long ago, one of my clients faced a tough time during the COVID pandemic. The government announced the Employee Retention Credit, which is known as the ERC. This is a lifeline for many businesses. Unfortunately, due to poor bookkeeping, they missed out on this opportunity for financial assistance. The pain of witnessing a missed opportunity like this was a wake-up call for the both of us. Now, when it comes to taxes, my experience taught me that incorrect or missing records can lead to the IRS refusing deductions on your tax returns. One client, despite having legitimate business expenses, faced IRS scrutiny and had deductions denied. It was an eye-opener on how crucial it is to have everything in order. We had to go back, amend tax returns, and deal with the headaches that follows. I've seen businesses overpaying taxes because of missed deductions. Another client, which is a growing startup, missed out on key deductions, resulting in large tax bill that could have been significantly reduced. It was disheartening to see them pay more than necessary, simply because poor record keeping. That's money that could have helped their business grow. One of the most impactful lessons came from a client trying to secure a loan. A balance sheet and a profit and loss statement full of errors led to skepticism from lenders. They faced higher interest rate and struggled to obtain the capital needed for expansion. It was a perfect reminder on how proper financial statements play a strong role in securing funding. These experiences drove home to the point. Professional bookkeeping isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Learning from these situations, I've become an advocate for investing in dedicated bookkeeping services. Whether you hire in-house or outsource, having someone focused on keeping your financial records accurate is an investment in the success of your business. My journey with clients has shown me the real cost of neglecting proper bookkeeping. From missed opportunities, deductions, to the challenges of securing loans, it's a path you don't want to go down. Take it from someone who has seen it firsthand. You should invest in the financial health of your business. Thanks for joining me on this personal reflection, and remember, stay financially savvy. If you found these personal insights helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world business wisdom. Until next time, take care and keep your books in order.